To invest in Austria means that you have the chance to be part of this orchestra of important and successful companies already working on the hub of Austria on a global basis. And beside this, the government also decided already to set measures. One of the main factors is also the tax reduction in the next years, step by step, and will bring down also the tax burden.
The Austrian economy is highly diversified. We have a lot of companies working in traditional industries as well as a lot of companies working in future industries. And the main thing, and the special thing, is that they are very well connected to each other and working together and pushing each other to success. Austria is the best place to live, to work and to invest.
Austria is actually the place to be. We are among the top performers in R&D in Europe. We're number 2. And we have something unique, a 14% flat tax refund for each R&D euro spent. We also invest a lot in skilled workforce. IT skills are very important for us. So we have coders, we have innovative people, and we have a lot of young talent. We put the focus as government on future industries. We support the industries and the companies which are coming to Austria. These companies are often based on digitalization and artificial intelligence.
The Vienna Stock Exchange is the heart and the core of the development over the next decades. Because the current companies, they need also for the expansion and using their chances for the future a very strong stock exchange, which Vienna already has.
Austria is a very stable, successful and globalized economy. With its excellent infrastructure, its political stability, its social security, it is one of the most livable and wealthy countries in the world. And the numbers clearly reflect this. While the average growth in the Eurozone 2018 has been 1.9%, it has been 2.7% in Austria. And the average dividend yield in the ATX shares, ATX is our main national index, is around 3 to 4%. And the average annual performance in the ATX share prices is about 7%. So, my message to you is very clear. Austrian shares should be an integral part of every and any well-diversified portfolio that targets Europe.